And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a wireless icon in Adobe Illustrator. We only need a black fill color and no stroke for now. We will use the ellipse tool, hold shift and you've got a perfect circle. Don't worry about the stroke for now, we just make it 1 point. And we will use the direct selection to select the bottom anchor point and delete it, the right one as well. Now we only got a quarter circle. We need to rotate it 45 degrees to the right, so -45 and enter. Make sure it's selected. We will increase the stroke weight now. And then we will open the stroke menu, go to window and stroke, and we want to have round caps. That's fine. Now I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it. And then press Ctrl D. Afterwards we want to make the second one and the third one smaller. We can do that by holding Alt, but because we now have a curvature, we need to make sure that we at the same time hold Shift, otherwise you've got this effect. We don't want that, so let us delete it. And I do that once more, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, then Ctrl D. Then hold Shift and Alt, just like this. And once more for the last one. That's fine. Let me reposition that manually. Make sure your smart guides are selected, go to view and smart guides, make sure they're checked, they will help in repositioning that. Select it all, then go to window and find your align menu. And not the pathfinder, that was my mistake. Go to window and align and this menu will open. And then we will distribute it. Make sure you've got align to selection activated. And now it's evenly distributed. I align it as well. And now we need the ellipse tool once more, hold Shift and Alt. We know that we've got 10 points as a stroke, so we need to make our circle 10 points as well. And let me first switch the colors so that we only have a fill and a stroke. And it's already 10. I'll distribute it once more, but you need to reposition the circle afterwards manually. Just like this. So maybe this is not the perfect result that you want to have. Maybe you want to create it a bit more narrow. There's one method to do that. You can use the star tool. Use the arrow keys up and down until you've got only a triangle, hold Shift, then once more hold Shift and rotate it. Reposition a triangle. I will use the align menu. I simply select everything and then align it to the vertical center. Now I'm sure that it's in the center position, and then I resize it holding Shift. And then I resize it to the side holding Alt. And I think that would be a better angle. I select it all and then I use the shape builder tool. I hold Alt and get rid of these shapes. Let me zoom in and I will get rid of these as well. We can't get rid of anything here. This is just the round cap. Now I'll deselect it all and select only the triangle and delete it. And maybe this looks even better. Let me group it, right click group. And now I drag a copy out of it holding Alt. I want to change the color, but first I need to ungroup it. I only select the top one and give it a gray color. Maybe this is fine. I need another copy, and I press Ctrl D for yet another copy. Let me change the color here as well to gray. Was that the gray? No, that wasn't. Let me select it again. That was my mistake. It was this gray. And these two, they need to be gray as well. And this is how you can recreate these wireless icons in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.